Samyukta. I'm auditioning for the role of a social worker. I'm more an actor than a model, and that's all.
Profile, please. Yeah, the other side. Okay. Smile. Big smile.
Everybody is talking about deforestation, afforestation and everything. IPL comes up with jerseys which serve no purpose. Colleges, schools, all industries are talking about grow green. But what are we doing actually? Are we planting trees? Yes, once in a blue moon, but it takes 100 years to grow a tree. What we need to do is on a daily basis do something about it. Go to every house, go to every store and say this is what we can do. I think that is what is important. So where do we start? I think the first step is to tell kids about how not to waste paper. By writing, we tear sheets every now and then. We buy such expensive books and then throw it. I think at a very small level, we need to conserve paper and give these paper to the poor. But no, we won't do that. We will talk about planting trees, we will talk about wearing green jerseys, we'll talk about wearing shirts and scarves and walking on the road. I don't think that's going to serve any purpose at all. And though they say plastic, we're not going to use plastic and recyclable plastic, how exactly are we saving the trees? I don't think this is going anywhere. So we need to start thinking about what we can actually do and not just waste time, doing all these superficial stuff. I think that's where we need to actually start. What are we doing? We are talking about afforestation, we're talking about all these things, but are we actually helping the environment? Everybody is talking, everybody has something to say. We see Facebook updates, we see Twitter updates, but how does that change anything? We read it and we stop. When we brush our teeth in the morning, we leave our tap running. How do we take some action? First of all, I think we need to stop talking about it and do something. We need to go to every house, every single day and tell them what needs to be done to conserve our planet, to conserve the plants, to conserve energy. We need to do it today. And now. For the first time, I think people have started going out and not making people sign weird notes or wear stupid jerseys, but instead people are taking people from the stores, from the industries, from schools, from colleges and making them do something. Let's be a part of this movement.
And let's go.
Let's go.
Very soft, not smile. Yeah, look up.
in the year. So it's like 40 or 40.
Smile.
But if you want
Okay.
it more, like I can fit into